How to show or hide battery percentage in status bar on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Here I will show you two methods. Let's see first method. By default, show the battery percentage on the top right corner of the status bar. You can see. To hide it, go to settings, scroll, tap on the notifications, tap on advanced the settings. Here you can see the show battery percentage. Toggle on it. Now toggle off it. When you toggle off it, you can see hide the battery percentage in the top right corner of the status bar. To activate, again enable it, and you can see the battery percentage. You can also use battery settings. Scroll down, tap on a battery. Now scroll down again. Here you can see the show battery percentage option. Just toggle on or toggle off it to show or hide or display the battery percentage on Samsung Z Fold 6. That's it. If you like it, share it.